Good afternoon. Today our topics accounting equation, mixed transaction, different types of. Now see the board. What are the questions? Show the effect of the following transactions on assets, liabilities and capital through accounting equation. A. Started business with cash rupees 1,20,000. B. Rent received rupees 10,000. C. Invested in shares rupees 50,000. Invested in share, that means investment, one assets increase and cash decrease. Next, point number D. Received dividend rupees 5,000. Point number E. Purchase goods on credit from Rohit rupees 35,000. Next transaction, paid cash for household expenses rupees 7,000. Household expenses 7,000. That means cash decrease 7,000. On the same time business capital also decreases 7,000. Point number G. Sold goods for cash costing rupees 10,000 but sell in the price rupees 14,000. The difference be treated as profit 4,000. Next point, cash paid to Rohit rupees 35,000. Last transaction, deposited into bank rupees 20,000 or cash deposited into bank rupees 20,000. This is the question. Just you find out their total assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay. Now how to prepare this question? Same rules. A equal to C plus L. A means assets, C means capital, L means liabilities. Revenue increases means capital also increases. Expenses decreases means your capital also decreases. Okay. Now top portions you write accounting equation. A equal to C plus L. This is the transactions. First transaction, started business with cash. That means assets, cash increases and on the same times capital increases. Amount 1,20,000. This sides also liability sides 1,20,000. Okay, left hand side equal to right hand sides. B. Rent received rupees 10,000. Rent received 10,000 means cash increases 10,000. On the same times business capital also increases 10,000. Now again you find out new equation. One lakh 30,000, 1,30,000. Left hand side is equal to right hand sides. Next transaction, point number C, invested in shares. Invested in share, that means one share increases or investment increases. Investment, what is the amount investment? Investment increases 50,000. On the same times, business cash decreases 50,000. Okay. Now, right hand sides, capital is there, no change. Left hand side is equal to right hand sides. Now, again you find out new equation. $80,000 plus 50,000. This is equal to 1,30,000. Equal sign is very important. Otherwise, you cannot find out their left hand side is equal to right hand side. Say for example, 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12, then equal to 12. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. This equal is very important. Okay. Now, next transaction, point number D, receive dividend 5,000. Receive dividend, that means cash receipts, cash increases 5,000. On the same time, their capital also increases 5,000. Now again you find out their new equation, short form NE, 85,000 cash, 50,000, 1,35,000. Okay. Next transaction, point number E, purchase goods on credit from Rohit, 35,000. That means your goods increase or stock increase, stock or inventories also increases, inventory column increases 35,000. But this is not cash transaction, this is credit transaction. On the same times, firms, one of the liabilities increases, that is creditors. Creditors increases amount 35,000. No change on capital, and in this side there no change on cash and investment. Again you check left hand sides equal to right hand sides. Okay. Now then you again find out new equation. 85,000 plus investment 50,000, stock 35,000, 1,35,000 plus 35,000. Again you check left hand side is equal to right hand sides. Now next transaction, point number F, paid cash for household expenses. Paid cash, cash decreases, what is the amount? 7,000. But on the same time, firm's capital also decreases 7,000. First bracket indicate negative. Again you find out new equation. This is equal to cash decreases 78,000, 50,000, 35,000, and this equal to 8,128, 1,28,000. Again you check left hand side is equal to right hand side. Always assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Now next transaction, sold goods costing rupees 10,000 for rupees 14,000. That means cash increases 14,000, no change on investment, but in this case stock or inventories decreases 10,000. The difference be treated as profit. The profit increases means capital also increases. What is the amount of profit? 4,000. Again you check, left hand side is equal to right hand sides. Okay. Now new equations, cash 92,000 plus 50,000, this is equal to 25,000, 1,32,000 plus 35,000. Again you check, left hand side equal to right hand sides. Next transaction, cash paid to Rohit 35,000. Cash paid, that means cash goes out. What is the amount cash? 35,000. Firms already increases one of the creditors. Now payment on creditors 35,000. That means creditors also decreases 35,000. First bracket, then no change, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0. Again you find out their new equation. 7,145, 57,000, 50,000, 25,000. But capital 1,32,000 and creditors nil, that is 0. Okay. Now last transaction, point number I, cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. What do you mean? That means cash decrease. What is the amount? 20,000. But on the same time, one assets increase. Name of the assets, bank. Bank increases, their bank balance increases 20,000. Cash deposited into bank. On the same time, cash decreases 20,000 and your bank account balance 20,000. Bank is the one types of assets, but no change on their capital and liabilities. Now last you find out their new equation. New equation, this is equal to cash 37,000, 50,000 investment, 25,000 for stock, and bank increases 20,000, capital 1,32,000, this 0. Okay. Now total you check, asset sides equal to liability sides. Liability sides 1,32,000. In this case 1,32,000. But in this sides, asset sides, total you are adding also again 1,32,000. That means A equal to C plus L. Okay. Thank you.